Hello, welcome back to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Summer is on its way. In this episode, I'm going to share a salad recipe using wood ear mushroom, aka black fungus. It may look a bit weird to those who are not familiar with this ingredient. However, the sweet, sour, spicy, and savory taste combo creates this perfect appetizer for the hot summer, which you need to try. Let's go. First, we are going to revive the dried wood ear mushroom. Certainly, an alternative is to use a fresh version if it is easy for you to get. Soak about 2 handfuls of mushroom in cold water for 2 hours. Then rinse every corner of the wood ear mushroom and remove any light brown or white parts. Cut half of the onion. Soak it in cold water. Which makes it more crunchy and reduces the onion taste left in our mouths. Chop 2 small red chili peppers. For the ginger root, remove the bitter skin, then cut into thin slices. We need about 1 teaspoon. Mince 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Last, to add more fresh taste and look, we're going to need some cucumber skins. What do they say? Cooking is art, right? Cut them into thin slices. Next, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add in the ginger slices, garlic, and red chili pepper rings, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dark rice vinegar, 1½ tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, white or brown. Mix well. In a pot, heat up 3 tablespoons of cooking oil with Sichuan peppercorns. Once the peppercorn gets dark, switch off the heat, remove the peppercorns, add the oil to the sauce. Plunge the wood ear mushroom in boiling water for about 2 minutes. Drain and mix with the onion slices. When the mushroom is still hot, pour in the yummy sauce. In this way, the mushroom absorb the sauce a lot more and better. One teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add the cucumber skin. Mix again and keep in the fridge for an hour. Then take out and enjoy. I wish someday AI could enable us to share the taste across the screens. Until then, you need to try this recipe to know the amazing taste. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy this simple recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture and the unique ingredients. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking.